Okay, everybody. Well, right here I have a package in front of me. Now it is, this package just came. My neighbor upstairs told me. I don't have a lot of battery space on my phone right now, but I'm going to make a very quick, just a quick hopefully an unpackaging or unboxing of this, because every time I do, something happens. And by the way, it's also Canadian Thanksgiving up here. So I wasn't sure if this was going to come today or tomorrow or Tuesday, but it came today. And this is the Canadian Thanksgiving up here. It's Sunday, October 13th. Now, I think some of you might know what's in this package. So I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to try to get this on video. So hold on. Actually, I don't even think I need a knife. Let's see. Okay. Okay. You can hear me unboxing it. Okay. Here's what's inside of it. Now let me see. Again, I'm doing it one-handed. Ta-da! It is one of those unique fire alarms that I usually have. Those heat alarms. They're not really fire alarms. But this is called a Tanita fire alarm. Tanita Manufacturing Company Limited. Pretty cool. One battery type. So it's probably a C cell, or D cell, which I have right here. So let me open it up. Sat there. It's part of the box. The box is in pretty good shape. The seller sold neither with two. There's two others, but this one was the best one. The best one in best condition. And the box is, again, this came off here. You can see. So, but this is a really cool alarm. Really cool. It actually looks like my star alarm. It's the same shape and everything. Same shape. It's got the same grill here. Same backing. The only difference is my star alarm. I'll grab it. Hold on. I'll compare it. That I got a couple years ago. And this one here worked from the day one, as you guys remember. The two look exactly the same. Let me see if the bottom is the same. Yeah. Only difference is there's a blue button. That's blue. And on here, it's red. So I'm going to put the battery in, and it's pretty cool. Really, really neat. I don't know if there's anything else in here. Let me see. Oh yeah, actually I forgot. This was supposed to come with instructions. Here it is. Because the other ones I have never came with instructions. This is the only one. So it must have somehow got out of the box, or the seller didn't pack it properly. And there it is. So I'll pause my okay, let me see. If you want to see anything, as I said, just pause. There. I'll go through it very, very slowly. So when it heats up to 145 to 165 Fahrenheit, and that is pretty hot. That is really hot. So this unit has to get really hot before it even makes a sound. So I'm going to put the battery in it, and we're going to give it a test. Hopefully it works. Ooh, this came right off. That came right off. This thing here. I'll show you. These are older, much older. This came right off. But I'm pretty sure if I put a battery in it, it should still sound. Yep. Makes the same sound as a star alarm, actually. The same pitch. Same lower pitch. Okay, hold on. Cool. Well, at least we know it works. Oh. There it goes. let me see if it has the same kind of horn. Oops. Yep. Same kind of horn. So basically it must be the same, done by the same manufacturer, just under a different name. So, and I don't know where this one is made, if it's Japan or the States. I think it's Japan, because that's where this one is made. I'm going to try to put this back on. So, hold on. Okay. All right. Okay, I think I got it back on. Let me see. Oh. Okay, you can hear it now. Cool. Because again, these are hit and miss, these things. So they either do or they don't work. I actually had another one, another alarm, and it quit working on me. So, yeah, this thing comes off a little. It's okay. It's still in good shape. I'll just have to... There. Okay. There. So, yeah. So it's pretty cool. This one here I'll show you is another one that looks very much like it. So, and this one here has a Delta alarm. But the thing is, and it takes one battery as well. But this one here is fussy. It quit on me. This is the one where I actually tried to set it off with a, what do you call it? A barbecue lighter. So you can see how it's kind of, it does work. It did work. I got it to work. And it's fussy, this one. So, but you can see looks exactly like this. It just has a different grill cover. And that looks like a Delta alarm horn, I think it is. Yeah, I think. The horn on that is that weird looking horn that nobody seems to know what it is. And same with this one. Same thing. So they're pretty cool. So, but I'd say they're all from the 1960s, or 1960s, 1950s. But again, this one here kind of works when it wants to. This one works. It's just I took the battery out of this. I'll actually put the battery in this and you can hear. I know I'm not... There, see that came off. I'll try to fix that. At least I know it works. Oh no, that's a bit higher. That's interesting. Cool. Sounds a bit lower. Anyways, that's pretty cool. Really interesting. I'm glad they work, and I'll just have to make sure, let me see. Just let me fix it. Again, one-handed. I know it's kind of hard. Okay, again, I got the one that's in the nicest shape. There are two other ones still on eBay. If anybody wants them to claim them, I'm letting you know. I know that I seem to be the only one who has these alarms. That it'd be nice to see collectors claim these. They're cool. Very cool for a collection. Again, they're heat alarms. Okay, this one here just doesn't want to seem to go on. That's okay. You know what? I'm just going to fix it like this. I'll just know when I open it, I have to take the cover right off of it. So, yeah. Let me just do that. There. So, let me just try. Okay. All right. I'm going to try to test it again. Okay, battery. Got jolted there. Okay, let's try it again. One more time. Because I don't know how much time I have on my phone. And this would be in a first official unboxing on video. Which will be cool. Because I can never get any to happen. There, that's cool. That's loud. So you can see they look very similar to on the bottom. It's just that is blue on here, and this one here is red. But they all take 1D cell battery, so it's interesting. So, anyways, take care, everyone. And I don't know, there's no, see, the star alarm here has its name on there. Yeah, see? You can see it there? Yeah. Now, does this one have anything? Oh, wrong one. Sorry. No, it doesn't. So, but it's pretty cool, and they all have these ridges. They all have the same design, basically, except this one's triangle and this one's rectangle. But they're pretty cool. At least I know it worked. And I'll try to get the video posted. And happy to any fellow Canadian posters out there in the forum. I know there's not many of you, but happy Thanksgiving. And to everyone else, happy Sunday. And take care, everybody. And I'm glad, I hope the video posts. And cool. So really, really cool. Take care, everyone. Bye now.